Today we're going to be learning about different formatting options. So to follow the directions, the first direction says to finish each sentence above with your own answer. So you are going to go through and type in your answers. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. My favorite school subject is computers. Okay, you're going to continue to fill in the rest of these activities. The second direction is to change the font size of everything to size 16. So you are going to select all of your text by click and drag, and then right here is your font size. We're going to up it to 16. Now it says change each sentence to a different font. Once again, you're going to select your text, and to change the font, you go to the left of where we changed the size. Cambria was what was originally being used. You can go through and pick any font you want. Each sentence is going to use a different font. Okay, so you're going to go through one at a time, pick a different font for each sentence. Once again, there are lots of sentences to choose from, so this should not be a problem finding a different font. After you pick 8 different fonts, the next direction says to change each sentence to a different font color. So now, once again, you are going to select the sentence, and the font color is the A with the bar under it. It's called text color. You're going to click on it, and the color will be applied. You highlight the next sentence, you pick a color. You're going to continue to do this for each separate sentence so that they are all a different font and a different color. There are lots of colors to choose from, so you should not have a problem on picking different colors for each. Okay. Now it says to bold sentences 1 and 2. So once again, we are going to select the sentences so that we could change our formatting. Bold is the B, which will make items darker. You can see a slight difference between the two. Now we're going to italicize sentences 3 and 4. So we're going to select sentences 3 and 4. Italicize is the I for italic, and you'll notice it puts things on a slant. Direction 7, underline sentences 5 and 6. We will highlight sentences 5 and 6, and this time it's the U for underline. It will draw a line under your text. And the very last direction says to highlight sentences 7 through 8. So we select their sentences, and highlight is this little highlighter pen. You pick it, and then you can pick a color to go behind the words. Whatever color you choose, just make sure that you can still see the fonts, because I won't be able to grade that part of it if I can't see your fonts. Okay, and this project is worth 22 points. All the points are listed in parentheses. Have fun.